Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machine. Today we're testing this DeLonghi Magnifica espresso machine, and let's go ahead and pull it So as you can see, it appears to make a shot okay, but there's a hole. Whoops, my finger's in the way. There's a hole in the steam boiler, and you can see it streaming out right there, right out of the side of the steam boiler. So that's definitely a problem, and you can see it's leaking all over the place. But I don't know, the customer reported that the infuser was stuck, and I'm not sure, if that issue got resolved in transportation or what, but it seems to make coffee just fine. So thank you for watching with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.